Today, I'm going to discuss another lesson in English. Do you know that names of people are naming words? Here are some examples of some names of people. Whisper, Tiffany, mother, sister. Yuan, Cyrus, father, brother. In this lesson, we will study the words that are used in place of names of peoples or naming words. He and she are used in place of names of people. Now we're going to see some people. Let's go! Joy is the receptionist at the lobby area. She is the receptionist at the lobby area. What word is used in place of Joy? That's correct. She is used in place of Joy. Now let's go around to see another example. Daddy is teaching me how to ride a bike. He is teaching me how to ride a bike. What word is used in place of daddy? That's correct. He is used in place of daddy. Now, look how he and she are used in the following sentences. Grandmother is waiting for her next flight. She is waiting for her next flight. Can you see the word that is used in place of grandmother? That's right. She is used in place of grandmother. Jason is playing with his cousin. He is playing with his cousin. Can you see the word that is used in place of Jason? That's right. He is used in place of Jason. Did you notice that she is used in place of name of a girl or a woman, while he is used in place of name of a boy or a man? So remember, you see for a boy or a man. You she for a girl or a woman. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.